All right, guys. This one is a shocking one. You know why? Now, VDM I come out, so can review some things which shock me. I don't know whether I go shock or not because we are in a situation right now in Nigeria where people don't run to the police anymore. Guess what? Who they are now running to when things are happening? Not people, I mean the satanic people. They are now using Fulani Herdsmen to torture the common Nigerians. This is crazy. On this particular estate, the conflicts or whatever that is going on in the estates, which you'll be listening to right now from Very Dark Man and the people are in concern. But my concern here, which surprised me now, say that they use Fulani people now, Fulani Herdsmen people with knife, dagger, till they threaten people instead of going to the police station to sort out any kind of conflicts. This one is what we should take very, very seriously because it's obvious now that there are people behind this satanic set of Fulani Herdsmen. That's why you see that terrorism could not end in Nigeria. Let's watch this together.
All right, so I am in KYC Estate in Sabolube, where the developer of this estate is Michael Ayuba Auta. Now, this is the chairman of this estate, and these are also residents of the estate. I'm going to play you guys a video so that we can proceed and you know what's going on here. I hope you are recording.
Yeah.
They are threatening us.
They are threatening us with their knife.
All those ones is just to say they are.
This is my neighbor now. His wife is not feeling fine. These people refuse to open. Look at him. Let me try and see if I can use my wife's car, at least for them to go to hospital. This is what we are going through. Mr. Peter, back, come!
Now, if you notice in this video that you just saw, you see some Fulani guys using their knife to do some display. Then you notice that some of the residents are behind. Now, those residents are being stopped by the Fulani guys because the developer of the estate had instructed them that they should not let the estate people go outside. This same developer instructed them to beat up a army personnel on his uniform. They broke his head. As you can see on the video, he's still there. They broke the guy's head. Now, what is his reason? I'll give this man a minute to explain. My own reason why I came here is simple. People cannot take laws into their hands. Nobody is above law in Nigeria. Where we have law, if there's no law, there's no crime. When there's law, there's crime. You cannot feel like you have influence and you do anything you like. I even heard that they took him to the commissioner of police, the then commissioner of police, and that for some reason, the commissioner of police lets him do whatever thing he likes. You understand? Me, I don't want to believe that because I know the then commissioner, Igwe, and it's my person. So now I'll give them a time to talk. Also, they said they've taken him to court and that court have passed their judgment, but he still went on terrorizing the people. So, Oga, I just need a brief summary of what is going on here about your estate and why Fulani men are attacking you people, stabbing you people, and blocking your roads when you want to go out.
Thank you very much. My name is Kolawale Diaro. I'm the resident chairman in this estate called KYC Estate. Now, in 2020, I saw an advert of this estate with a beautiful plan of how beautiful an estate would look like. And I subscribed. I paid over 7 million to have my property in this estate. Fast forward to now. Whatever we have paid for, this developer will not do. He will keep coming back to ask for more money. If we don't give him, the next thing we'll see Fulani men who come and attack us. And in doing that, the policemen at the gate will comfortably excuse themselves.
So if the Fulani comes, the police will go away.
They'll go away. And at a point, it disconnected us from the light. We took him to NLC, took him to AEDC. They couldn't do anything. It's as if this guy has power than anybody in this country. We don't even understand anymore. Military could not do anything. AEDC could not do anything. NLC could not do anything. Nigerian police keep aiding this guy. We're even frustrated. We don't know what else to do.
Well, I would have to cut you. Maybe that was a mistake. I won't say the Nigerian police aiding. I would just say, you can't just generalize the police. But today, you understand, we have to go and meet the commissioner of police, the present one, Ajawa Adewale. I heard he's a very good CP and he stands for people's rights. Also, this man behind me was also attacked. You come closer, was also attacked in his residence by who? So I'll give you, even at his back, 2, they also attack him. I don't know. This is a
attacked by
public
the
place.
back.
So, Oga, how did the incident happen? Please, just a summary of what
Okay,
happened.
well, it happened 10 p.m. Wednesday night, 4 weeks ago. I believe they've been observing me from one of the uncompleted buildings from behind. So I came out at that time, which is my normal time to come out to turn off my generator. With sleepy eye, already turned off all the lights in the house. By the time I turned up the kitchen light to open the door, 2 of them were standing right in front of me with drawn knives, and they attacked me. I had to defend my family. That was exactly, I've been traumatized since then because of lack of security in the estate, and it's a worry for us here residents. That
But do you pay, sorry to cut you, do you pay your security levy?
We pay security levy.
And again, if you notice behind me, according to the residents, that they've paid for the gate to be done. And that for over 5 years now, the gate has not been done. And he will still come back to still want to collect money for the gate. And if they complain, next thing, Fulani attack. He even said the other day that they were arguing with him, telling him that, oh, we have paid you for this plan. Why are you not doing it? Next thing, policeman that was beside him shot in the air so that everybody will leave him alone. You understand? That's abuse of power and influence. I don't know who he knows in the police. I don't know who he knows in the government. But what is wrong is very, very wrong. And like I said, we get law for Nigeria. Nobody is above the law. Nobody is above the law. So we'll take this matter to the Commissioner of Police, and the matter will be out there so that any influence we'll get, we won't really see. You understand? Whether Nigeria don't be that place. And lastly, I have a problem. My problem is that if this man can call Fulani men at will anytime to come and attack, only God know the people where they in charge of the insecurity where they in Nigeria. For you to get Fulani where you they call, you understand? Then nobody they say for the country. They need to even bring you in for terrorism first. They need to bring you in for terrorism. Let's know what you are funding. If these people are loyal to you, that they will block your gate, you cannot report to the authorities that this is the problem. Oh, government, come and settle this matter. These people are not doing it. Or charge them to court. All of you take laws into your hand, but it's not going to. We're not going to the country make something like that they happen. I even came here myself. I see me like the teaching one Fulani will all come, or anybody that will send will come, so that we'll understand what they go on. Make I sound with my eye. But it's not fair. So we'll go to the Commissioner of Police office, the one in charge of the FCT. We'll lay the matter there so that at least these people can be saved. And he also threatened that he'll come and do what again?
On 16, he threatened that he's coming back with full force, with more Fulani men to come and attack us more.
Okay. So, but don't worry, it's not going to happen. We'll take it now to the CP. So thank you very much. Peace and love, and don't pray.
Wow. I don't really have much to say anymore. It's shocking. This is NAIJA Watch Media. Join us every day, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's continue to talk about the things that are affecting you and I. Take care, guys, and bye for now.